20 millimeters. It's less than an inch, but it's the difference between factory fitment and this. Let me show you how. The factory 19 by 8.5 wheels with an offset of plus 55 sit way inside the fenders. It's functional, but it doesn't look all that good. 20 millimeter spacers change the stance completely. I chose spacers from Evolved Autosport, which is a brand from MAPerformance. They've been a trusted name in the automotive industry for years. Hub-centric design, properly engineered, and way more affordable than the big name options. At a price of $80 per pair, this was a no-brainer. Installation is simple. Torque them to 90 foot-pounds in a star pattern and you're good to go. Back on the ground, the difference is immediate. The wheels now sit much closer to the fenders. This is that OEM Plus stance I was looking for. Over bumps, normal driving, even spirited pulls, there is zero rubbing. The fitment is perfect for daily use. And this is what other drivers see. Aggressive, planted, but not overdone. If you're enjoying this, hit thumbs up and subscribe. This STI is getting the full treatment, and I've got a lot more parts waiting to be installed. Leave me a comment. Is this the perfect fitment for stock STI wheels, or would you go even more aggressive?